Hey everyone! So I'm back with another reaction video. Yeah. I'm back. It's been a while and I'm back in my natural setting. Because I'm at home, I'm not in the dorm. So yeah. Anyways, you don't really need to know that. But yeah, I'm back with another reaction video. This time to my favorite, like, ultimate bias girl group. 4 minutes! So yeah. I'm just really happy they finally made a comeback. What I love most about them are their songs, and that they're not like the most popular girl group ever, but they really are very talented, and I feel like they're under what? It's not underestimated, but they don't get enough credit for their talent. That's how I feel. But anyways, I don't care what the rest of the world thinks about them. I love them. So I'm making this reaction video to their comeback song, which is, oh my god, Crazy, Go Crazy. No, that's not them! Oh my god, and I just said they're my ultimate bias group. Their song is Cold Rain. This is really embarrassing. I'm just embarrassing myself, so I just need to watch it. Based on the title, is it like a mellow or something? Yeah, and based on the mood. Is it a mellow song? Oh, by the way, I just recently knew that her brother is a big quot of this. Like, so anyways. I think it's the first time I've heard them do a sad song. They're very chic. It's like a 360-degree turn from their previous songs, like What's Your Number and yeah. Oh, what's your number? What's your name? I'm really up with it today. Oh. It sounds like a soundtrack of a Korean novella, K-drama, like. What? It's a breath of fresh air. I love their outfits. I love the whole feel of the video. My homegirl, you know. Ryan singing though, like, love. I love. They're also like grown up women, ladylike. Like, I love this hour. Why is it raining inside like the old factory? Is she outside of the factory? Like, I love the whole water effect of it. It's so heartfelt. Like, I don't understand what she's saying, but it's so heartfelt. It's like an album photo shoot. Like, It has its aura. So it paused. Damn, this internet though. I hate our internet. It pauses automatically. Like, what the actual fuck? There's only like 8 seconds left. Like, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Uh, Come on. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to talk about the music video while it buffers. Like, third world country problems. Hashtag third world problems. Yeah. I hate our internet. So anyways, yeah, I like that it's like so different from their previous songs. Like, yeah, what's her name? It's very like bubbly and very like, you know, like hip hop and like danceable tunes. But this one, it's like someone like the Vici singing. Like, it's one of those songs, you know, that you couldn't imagine like a girl group like really doing it. Oh, I hate my English right now. Okay, so anyways, yeah, it feels like a song and that's from an OST of a K-drama, like something that Taeyeon of Girls' Generation would sing, something the Vici would sing, like, you know, it's one of those feels the song gives. But yeah, um it's hard to react to like sad songs because I'm just like all the time, you know. It's not like when you're reacting to like upbeat songs you can just dance, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, video wise, I like the concept of the video. It's very sad, it's very dark. The old factory shiz just reminded me of Icon once again. Still hopelessly waiting for their debut. You feel me, guys? But we're not here to talk about Icon. We're here to talk about 4 Minute. I need to get my head straight. But yeah, song. I'm not really into this kind of songs. Like, I'm not really into ballads. But it's good. I mean, it's not like extremely boring, but it's not like really heartfelt as well. Like it didn't make me cry. Of course, I don't think it would make me cry because I don't know the lyrics yet. Maybe if I sing to it while knowing the lyrics, I might cry. I'm such a crybaby, you guys. But anyways, yeah, I like their outfits. Like, oh gosh, it's so Parisian. Like, it's so New York gal. Like, I love their outfits. They're very mature in this music video. Like, they're, you know, that they're showing that they are 4 Minute and they are like one of the first girl groups ever. No, not ever, but like when K-Wave really boomed, like when Hallyu really happened, 4 Minute was one of like the first girl groups that really, you know, made it. So yeah. Oh, it's continuing. So I waited for it to buffer just to see those. Like those final 2 seconds of the video. Or like, I can't believe our internet though. This reaction sucks. Like, this reaction video just sucks. But I'm just still going to upload it because I haven't uploaded in a while. I haven't reacted in a while. But yeah, for the video, I'd give it a 9. No, I'd give it an 8. If it had a story that would really explain to the foreigners, like, what the concept of the song is for foreigners like me who don't understand the lyrics, the Korean lyrics. If it kind of showed the lyrics, if the video kind of showed the lyrics, then I would have given it a 10 because And it's just lacking in that department. Like, you know, I feel like I mean I get it, just from the title I get it's sad. I get it, it's a ballad. But I don't know what the story is about. Like, I still have to research it. Unlike other songs, when the music video really conveys the message of the lyrics. So yeah, I'd give it an 8 because of that. But the entire mood in itself, I really like it. Like the rain part, like the droplet part. So nice. Yeah. So anyways, what else? For the song, not so crazy about it. I'm not really a ballad kind of girl, so I'd give it a 4 for a minute. Just kidding. Um, I don't know. I'm not really into ballads. That's why I don't really like it. For a ballad, yeah, it's sad. It's heartfelt, but just not really into it. So yeah, but the music video I really like. I hope to watch the live performance of this. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know what else to talk about. That's it. This reaction video sucks. Go give it a thumbs down. I feel you guys. I totally understand if you give it a thumbs down. Yeah. But anyways, I have other reaction videos. You can watch that and subscribe to me. Yeah. So anyways, yeah. I'll get back to you some other time for another reaction video. I think 4 Minute is going to release another music video for another song. I read it in allkpop.com. So yeah. Okay. Anyways, that's it for now. Goodbye.